Hello everyone. Welcome to this video. I'm Sarah, and if you have reached this video is because you are looking for more information about the supplement Metafast for supports healthy blood sugar levels. Learn all the information of this supplement. If does Metafast work, benefits, ingredients, guarantee, how to take in more. Stay until the end because I have a very important alert, right? Metafast is a supplement composed of 100% natural and effective ingredients to support healthy blood sugar levels. The main goal of its formula is to ensure normalized blood sugar levels, thus helping to keep your health up to date with total energy and vitality without requiring strict diets. Metafast has provided amazing blood sugar support for men and women in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and even 70s. Based on the latest data from cutting-edge scientific research, the Metafast formula is very gentle, yet quite powerful. At the same time, we're only using pure plant extracts and natural minerals, and you can rest assured knowing it's manufactured in the United States in a state-of-the-art FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility. Metafast offers a powerful and effective way of providing blood sugar support and all-day energy boosts. Thousands of people enjoy taking Metafast every day with great results, and we have not received a single complaint yet. Once your body adapts to the ingredients, you will notice fewer hunger pangs, increased stamina, and better blood sugar readings. We're all different, and that's why the time it takes to see results varies. Most people start feeling a difference after the first week. In our tests, the best results come when you take Metafast consistently for 3 months or longer to allow time to cleanse, restore, and renew. Therefore, we strongly recommend you take advantage of our 3 or 6 bottle discount package. And how should I take Metafast? Just take 2 capsules each day in the morning before breakfast in order to see quick results. Alternatively, you can take 1 capsule before breakfast and 1 before lunch if you're on a carb-heavy diet. In addition, when purchasing the package with 3 or 6 bottles for a more complete and effective treatment, you will receive 2 more exclusive and free bonuses, and also with free shipping. Now, a very important alert for you who want to buy the supplement for blood sugar Metafast. Buy only through the official website that is below this video in the description. It is not sold on any other website like eBay or Amazon. Metafast is sold on the official website of the manufacturer. Avoid scam and fakes. I hope I have helped you with all the important information in this Metafast review, a supplement that works and has been tested and validated by several people. They are women and men satisfied with the use of the supplement. Any questions, leave below in the comments. Repeating that to help you, the official website of Metafast is below in the description of this video. Thank you for your attention.